Hey everyone, let's look at another sequential game for practice, and we will solve this Duopoly game using the method of backward induction from before, and we will find a subgame perfect Nash equilibrium. We have the decision nodes, which are this one, L for the leader, F1, this is for the follower, and F2, this is also for the follower. So the second number in each of these games is for the follower and the first number is for the leader. We have 4 terminal nodes which are A, B, C, and D, and we have 2 subgames. This is a subgame or a minigame, and this is another subgame. So I'm going to look at terminal nodes A and B, which is from the first subgame, and look at the second numbers, which are 210 and 120, and choose the highest of these two numbers. I'm going to choose 210 because 210 is greater than 120. So the solution to subgame F1 is terminal node A. Now I will look at the decision node F2, which leads to terminal nodes C and D, and choose between the highest of the two second numbers. So because 140 is greater than 50, I will choose 140, and D is the solution to this subgame F2. Now take a look at this game from the leader's perspective. The leader is going to consider A and D and choose between A or D. And the first number is for the leader. So the leader has a choice between 150 or 200. Definitely 200 is greater than 150, so the leader is going to prefer terminal node D. So we have a subgame perfect Nash equilibrium, and this is given by the terminal node D, and the solution to this game is leader is make, and for follower it's also make. So 200 and 140 is the solution to this game. That's all for now. Hope everything is crystal clear. Thank you very much.